Imagine waking up every morning with money hitting your bank account, and you didn't even lift a finger. Sounds like a dream? Well, it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you 7 of the best passive income ideas for 2025. Ideas that anyone, even complete beginners, can start today. Let's dive in. First up, want to grow your wealth by riding the wave of digital currency? Mastering crypto trading skills through platforms like Binance can help you make smart trades and earn profits from market movements, all from the comfort of your laptop. And if you're feeling bold, maybe even throw some Trump coin in there, because nothing says financial adventure like a meme coin with attitude. Print on demand. You create simple designs, upload them to websites like Teespring or Redbubble, and they handle everything, from printing to shipping. You earn a commission on every sale. The best part? You don't need inventory and it's all automated. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products through unique referral links and earn a commission on every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Impact make it easy to get started. Choose products you believe in and share them through blogs, YouTube, or social media. For those who prefer investing, dividend stocks are a great passive income source. You buy shares of reliable companies that pay you dividends, a share of their profits, regularly. It's like getting paid just for owning the stock. Just like this channel. You can create videos using AI tools for scriptwriting, voiceovers, and video editing. Channels in niches like finance, tech, and lifestyle are earning thousands without ever showing their face. Create once, sell forever. Digital products like ebooks, design templates, and stock photos require upfront effort but can sell over and over again with no extra work. Got a skill? Like cooking? Then package it into an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to upload your course and earn money every time someone enrolls. Once it's live, the income is mostly passive. Which of these passive income ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips every week. Until next time, keep building your freedom.